Hi guys, hope you guys had a nice weekend. I want to just take you through week 4 so you have an idea what you're going to be expected to do this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my sandbox. It'll show you exactly what you guys are going to be doing in your class as well. So what you'll do first is you will go to announcements, click on announcements, and then you'll see week 4 rocket launch simulation. So you'll click on that. And here we go. Your challenge this week is to virtually launch 3 rockets, 3 trials using the website. The website is Science Learning Hub. You do not need to sign in or create an account. So all you're going to do is you're going to go down here to this link and you're going to click on it. After you launch, you're going to try to launch at least 3 different rockets. So basically what it is, you'll see on the screen, there'll be things that you can fill in based on how much mass is involved, the thrust time, if you have to keep the drag on or off, and mass changes. So if you don't understand that terminology, you can look it up if you want to. And it's kind of cool. You'll set it, and then you could have some failures. That's okay if you do. Go back and figure out what the problem is. So just do exactly what it says on the sheet. You'll try to launch this launch 3 different rockets 3 times. When you do this, you'll be asked to make some decisions based on the data as I'm describing to you. And then the question is, I'm asking you to describe the rocket that reaches the highest point. Actually, that's called terminal velocity. It can't go any higher than that. And explain why you believe it was able to reach that height. If it doesn't launch, then go back and solve the problem. Go back and figure out where the problems lie for you. Okay, so that's what you're going to do with the first activity. So let's go to the second activity. The second activity, which is entitled Space Movie Review. Okay, so here's what you're going to do on this one. Directions. For week 4, you will be choosing a film from the list below. After choosing from the list and watching the film of your choice, you will complete the movie summary table below. So it's kind of like what they do in this is a interdisciplinary unit between language arts and science, but you're choosing a film that's based on a space theme. So you're breaking it down. You do have a table here. You may have to, and I think I've mentioned that in this, I have, where it says note. You will either recreate this table on a Word document or you can type your answers directly into the assignment box. If you have a problem typing into this box, then recreate the table on a Word document. It's not that big of a deal, okay? So you're going to do the name of the movie, the setting, the characters, the plot, connection to space or technology, fictional or non-fictional, pardon the ambulance that just went by, overall theme. Here's a good example, never give up. And then it says, in addition, you will need to give me a paragraph describing how this film impacted your feelings about space exploration. So here's your list of films, list of approved movies that I came up with. If you have any other space exploration film in mind, you're going to need to contact me first. I'll have to preview it and see if it's okay. But these are all the films that I came up with for choices for you. So just kind of look around, go to Netflix or whatever other programs you've got in your home that you can access one of these films. This assignment is worth 50 points, so you want to make sure you're doing it. Okay, so first thing is the rocket simulation. Second thing is a space movie review. And the last assignment is going to be under space exploration. I'm going to ask you to design based on the film that you choose. I'm going to ask you to design a movie poster. So, for this lesson, you will be creating a poster based on the space exploration film that you chose. Your poster can be created on any of these documented forms. Your poster must include the title of the film, main character's name and a brief description, a symbol that appears within the film or represents an idea that the film centers around. For example, Apollo 13 had the Greek Apollo symbol, a quote from the film, a picture of the setting of the film, and I've left you an example. This has some things. It's pretty good. I know, as creative as you guys are, you will come up with some really cool things. That's what I'm looking for. Real creative stuff. So, again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me prior to this. Try not to wait until Sunday, evening to do your work. Start working on it so you'll get it finished. But really put some creative thought into this. This should be a pretty fun week for you in science. I'm hoping so. So enjoy it. And again, keep in contact with me through the week. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.